Genius Junkies! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to show you how to make eye-catching flyers using Canva. Whether you're promoting an event, a sale, or your business, this step-by-step guide will help you create stunning flyers in no time. Let's dive in. Choosing a flyer template. To get started, click on Create a Design and type Flyer in the search bar. You'll see a variety of flyer templates to choose from. Select a template that suits your needs. For this tutorial, we'll go with a simple yet vibrant template to make our flyer stand out. Customizing your flyer. Now comes the fun part, customizing your flyer. Click on the text boxes to edit the text. Change the font, size, and color to match your brand or event theme. Adding images and elements. To make your flyer more visually appealing, add images and elements. Click on the Uploads tab to upload your own photos or choose from Canva's library of free images. You can also add icons, shapes, and lines from the Elements tab to enhance your design. Finishing touches and saving. Once you're happy with your design, add any finishing touches. Adjust the layout, tweak colors, and make sure all information is clear and easy to read. When you're ready, click the Share button at the top right and select Download. Choose your preferred file format. PDF is great for printing, and PNG is perfect for online sharing. And there you have it. You've just created an eye-catching flyer using Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Genius Junkie, and hit the bell icon for more design tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.